Hello again, everyone. It's Stella Chamberlain with Chamberlain Realtors at Murney Associates Realtors, and I am excited to take you through a virtual video tour of 885 East Doubletree Lane in Springfield, Missouri, in the very sought-after subdivision of Greystone at Cherokee Hills. I'm about to show you this wonderful walkout basement home. It has 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and approximately 4,500 square feet. You're gonna love it, so follow me inside. The last thing I'll show you today is one of my favorite parts of the house, which is the multi-level back deck. It opens up to a yard that has mature trees and some privacy. I hope you enjoyed today's virtual video tour of 885 East Doubletree Lane in Springfield, Missouri. I'd love to give you some more information about the house, so if you have any questions, be sure to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.